Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein-rich Quinoa Khichdi recipe, ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of quinoa. Quinoa is not a cereal grain, it is a seed grain and it is a complete source of protein. Even though quinoa is spelled as quinoa, it is pronounced as quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein as it contains all the 9 essential amino acids. It is also rich in fiber, B vitamins, it's completely gluten-free and has a very neutral flavor, hence ideal to use in Indian cuisine. Add in some water. And I'm going to wash and rinse it thoroughly a couple of times. Quinoa contains a bitter coating called saponin, which actually makes the quinoa a little bitter when it is cooked. So you need to make sure that you thoroughly rinse the quinoa before cooking. So I'm going to wash and rinse it thoroughly. One more thing, even if the packet says that it is pre-washed, always make sure that you rinse it thoroughly so that the bitter coating called saponin is released. Once thoroughly rinsed, I'm adding in 1/4 cup tur dal. I'm adding in some more water. And I'm allowing it to soak for about 1 to 2 hours. Soaking for at least a minimum of 30 minutes is a must when you are using quinoa. I always prefer to soak grains for a little longer so that the phytates in them are released. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may cause digestive issues to some people and also may prevent nutrient absorption. So always plan ahead and soak the grains. Okay, now the quinoa and dal are nicely soaked, so I'm going to rinse it a couple of times until the water runs clear. And once rinsed, I add it into a strainer. I'm heating my pressure cooker with 1 teaspoon A2 desi ghee. Instead of A2 desi ghee, you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 2 whole Kashmiri chilies broken into half. Give it a quick stir. Add in the rinsed and strained quinoa and dal. 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder. Asafoetida powder will help with digestion, so try not to skip it. Add in 2 cups of water. Sea salt as needed. Give it a mix. Cover the pressure cooker with its lid. Once steam starts to come through the hob, place the weight on the hob. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to the lowest and allow it to cook on low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame and allow the cooker to depressurize by itself. Once the pressure has depressurized by itself, remove the weight from the hob and open the lid. You can see that the khichdi is perfectly done. I'm squeezing in half a lemon, sprinkling in some fresh coriander leaves. Give it a stir. And my super healthy quinoa khichdi is ready to serve. I'm transferring it into a serving bowl. So guys, do try this healthy quinoa khichdi and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.